Welcome aboard Titanic! Hold tight, enjoy the view, and prepare for the journey of a lifetime.
It's going to be unforgettable!
The horizon calls with a fiery glow through the
Let's dance. Just you and me.
Dreams grow, a spark ignites, we're ready to fly. Chasing
Wow.
the stars in the air.
This ship is even more incredible than I imagined.
Feel the thunder, hear the roar. We're breaking through, we're wanting more. With hearts
With you, every step feels like magic.
With you by my side, even the endless ocean feels safe.
It's really happening. The ship's breaking in half.
mountains rise, challenge beneath each step we take, the earth beneath our feet. The drums of courage, they echo and pound. Our spirits soar as we stand unbound. Feel the thunder, hear the roar. We're breaking through, we're wanting more. With hearts
We lost a ship, but we found something even bigger. Us!